In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unblock blocked websites on Google Chrome 2025 free. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are using the Chrome browser itself, because the settings we are going to check are specific to Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You should see 3 small dots stacked vertically. Click those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. From there, look for the option called Settings and select it. Now that you are inside Settings, look at the menu on the left side of the page. Click Privacy and Security. After opening Privacy and Security, select Site Settings. Site Settings is where Chrome stores permissions for websites. You are not changing anything unrelated here. You are simply checking whether websites is being restricted by one of the browser permissions. Once you are on the Site Settings page, scroll down until you reach the Permissions area. In this section, look for JavaScript. YouTube relies on JavaScript for video playback, menus, buttons, recommendations, comments, and many other features. If JavaScript is blocked, websites may fail to load correctly or may appear broken. Open the JavaScript setting and make sure it is allowed. The setting should show that sites can use JavaScript rather than being blocked from using it. After confirming JavaScript is allowed, continue checking the related permission areas. Look for additional permissions if you do not immediately see what you need under the main permissions list. Websites may use redirects during sign-in, video loading, embedded playback, or when moving between different websites pages. If redirects are blocked for YouTube, the site may not open properly or may get stuck while loading. You should also look for any blocked websites-related cookies. Cookies help websites remember sessions, preferences, playback settings, and sign-in status. If websites' cookies are blocked, the site may still open, but certain features may not work as expected. The key thing to check is whether websites appears in a blocked list for cookies, redirects, or other permissions. If it does, make sure the setting is no longer preventing websites from working. That covers everything you need to know.